What a grass court swing Magdalena Rybarikova had in 2017. She went 18-2, and the highlight was making the semifinals at Wimbledon. So she does know how to play on this surface. She continues her preparations for this year's Wimbledon today at the Nature Valley Classic in Birmingham, where she is too a former champion. And her opponent is Kristina Mladenovic. The French woman has had success in the past on grass as well. That one she made.
First game.
And that's a lovely drop shot.
Game is Mladenovic.
Driving the backhand first and then
Miss
with the
Mladenovic
drop.
leads 4 games.
Very impressive game from the French woman. Good attacking play from Rybarikova. Too good. We got the first serve, came in behind it. That is going to go wide.
Miss Mladenovic by 6 games to 3.
6-3, but certainly not a routine first set. It lasted nearly an hour. It's Mladenovic who does get the job done eventually. Great start to the second set. A wonderful rally.
3-2.
And nets it. Good defense from Rybarikova.
Game, Miss Rybarikova. Game, Miss Rybarikova.
Double break advantage now for Rybarikova. 5-1.
Miss Rybarikova leads 5 games to 1.
A good change of direction. She got a bit of momentum back in that game, Mladenovic. Oh, that is just a lovely slice there from Rybarikova.
Love 30.
It's
Game
wide.
second set.
She does steal the second set.
Miss Rybarikova. By 6 games to 2, 1-7.
And for the third time between these players in their matches, we are going to a third set.
Yeah.
You saw the
Game,
chalk
Miss Rybarikova.
fly up there. Was a great second serve.
Miss Rybarikova leads
She couldn't
2
follow it up.
games to none.
Mladenovic. Oh, a double net cord. Or was it a triple?
15 love.
Wow. That is an outstanding shot there from Rybarikova.
Game,
Does have the
Miss
double break lead now, Rybarikova.
Miss Rybarikova leads 4 games to love.
Balls, please.
So sharp, just around the net, ready.
Game, set, and
Now 3 times they were played, and now 3 wins for Rybarikova, all in 3 sets. That's the job done today against Mladenovic by a score of 3-6, 6-2, 6-1.